Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna be making lemon meringue pie. It's definitely one of the more difficult recipes. You will need to prepare the dough at least 2 hours ahead. I recommend making it the night before. This is what you need for the dough. Lemons. We all know that lemons have lots of benefits, so let me tell you about some interesting facts instead. Did you know that when you sprinkle lemon juice on some fruit, like bananas and apples, it will prevent them from turning brown? It has to do with the acidity of lemons. Did you also know that there is a lemon festival in France where there are huge sculptures made out of citrus like lemons and oranges? Also, the lemon oil is used on the fingerboards of guitars. And also, lemons eliminate bad odor, grease, and oils. And this is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumb up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and let me know how your pie turned out. See you next time.